interior angles. Alternate interior. That means it should be interior. Just like here you see, this is a transversal. These are transversal, and these are the two lines. Now alternate interior means these. There are the four interior angles. Suppose this is 1, 2, this is 3 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are the interior angles because this is inside interior angles. Alternate means if you want to take from this side, another from that side, like this. This is called the alternate. This is called the alternate. Understood? 2, 4. So 1 and 3 are called the alternate angles. Understanding? Alternate interior means it should be interior. Pass like this. It should be interior, and one will be left and the will be right. The right, left like this. So here you see here interior angles, alternate interior. So 4 and 6. 4 and 6. So 3 and 5. So I written 4 and 6, 3 and 5. They are called the alternate interior angles. Alternate exterior angles. So exterior means which are the exterior angles? You tell me which are the exterior angles. Yes, 1 to 7, 8. 1 to 7, 8. They are the exterior. Exterior you see. Which are? 1 to 7, 8. So 1, 7, 2, 8. 1 is in the left side, 7 is the right side. 2 is the right, 8 is the left. So 1, 7, 2, 8 are called the alternate exterior angles. So you see 1, 7 and 2 and 8 are called the alternate exterior angles. Number D is interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Interior angles on the same side of the transversal. You see, so suppose this one, these are two lines and this is the transversal. Interior angles 1, 2, 3 and 4. So interior angles on the same side. So 1, 2, 3, 4 interior angles, same side means this side, left side, which are 2 and 3. They are these angle 2 and angle 3 are called the interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Similarly, 1 and 4 are called the interior angles of the same side of the transversal. So interior angles on the same side transversal, or you can say consecutive interior angles. What can you say? Consecutive interior angles or co-interior angles. So here you see 4 and 5. 4, 5 on the same side. This is the transversal. L is the transversal. 4 and 5. This and 4 and 5. This is called the same side of the transversal. 4 and 5. Similarly, 3 and 6. 4 and 5, 3 and 6 are called the interior angles on the same side of the transversal. I think all of you understood about what are the parallel lines, what are the intersecting lines. Intersecting lines is like this. What are the parallel lines? What are the intersecting lines? Parallel lines means two lines. If you extend on both the sides, it will never intersect. Okay? I have given you the example: opposite edges of the book, opposite edges of the blackboard. Then is the lines in your copy. Okay, so all are the parallel lines. Okay, intersecting lines means they will touch each other like this. Okay, this edge and this edge, they intersect at this point. Okay, so now all of you understood about parallel lines. Transversal. What is transversal? Transversal means a line if intersect two or more lines at a distinct points, then the line which intersects the two or more lines, that line is called the transversal. After that, what is the exterior angles and the interior angles? All of you understood. Exterior means outside. You see 1 to 7, 8. Interior means inside 3, 4 and 5, 6. And the corresponding angles all of you understood. So how many pair of corresponding angles? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 pairs. 4 pairs of corresponding angles. Understood? Similarly, alternate interior angle also understood. Alternate interior, that means it should be inside. Alternate like this 1, 3 and 2, 4. So I have written alternate exterior angle should be outside, just like outside. Alternate exterior angle which are 1, 2, 7, 8. And alternate means 1, 7 and 2 and 8. 178. So how many pair of alternate external angles? 2 pairs. How many pair of alternate interior angles? 2 pairs. D is interior angles on the same side of the transversal, or you can say conjugate interior angles or co-interior angles. How many pair? 2 pair. They should be on the same side of the transversal. 4 and a 5, 3 and a 6. Okay. Similarly, you can say alternate exterior angles on the same side of the transversal. Exterior angles on the same side. So you say here exterior angle 1 and 8 are called the exterior angles on the same side of the transversal. Similarly, 2 and 7 are called the exterior angles on the same side of the transversal. So like this, I have discussed, and I think that all of you have understood one theorem 6.3 saying, if a transversal intersects 2 parallel lines, then each pair of a corresponding angles are equal. If a transversal intersects 2 parallel lines, these are the 2 parallel lines. This is the transversal. Then what you have to prove? Each pair of a corresponding angles are equal. That means you have to show this will be equal to this one will be equal to this one. Yes or no? Like this. So this one will be equal to this, and this one will be equal to this. We have to prove it in the next class. Thank you. Have a good day.